2025, the financial landscape is shaping up to be a battleground between cryptocurrencies and stocks. Today, I want to dive into the upside potential of both, weighing the risks and rewards, volatility, and market trends. And remember, stick around for a chance to win a $250 giveaway at the end of this discussion. Let's start with cryptocurrencies. Ethereum and Solana have been at the forefront of the crypto revolution. Ethereum, with its smart contract capabilities, is evolving into a platform for decentralized applications. Its transition to proof of stake has not only reduced energy consumption, but also opened the door for more scalability. Analysts predict that by 2025, Ethereum could see significant price increases, especially if institutional adoption continues to grow. On the other hand, Solana, known for its high throughput and low transaction costs, has been gaining traction among developers. If it can maintain its momentum and overcome network outages, the upside potential is substantial. However, the volatility in crypto markets is a double-edged sword. Prices can swing wildly, presenting both opportunities and risks. A 20% drop in a single day is not uncommon, which can be unsettling for investors. Now, let's pivot to stocks. Companies like Nvidia and Tesla have been leading the charge in tech innovation. Nvidia, with its dominance in graphics processing units and AI technology, is positioned to benefit from the ongoing AI boom. Analysts are bullish on Nvidia's growth, projecting that its stock could soar as demand for AI applications skyrockets. Tesla, with its ambitious plans for electric vehicles and energy solutions, is also a strong contender. However, both stocks come with their own set of risks, including market competition and regulatory scrutiny. When we compare the two asset classes, we see distinct patterns. Historically, stocks have provided steady returns over the long term, while cryptocurrencies have offered explosive growth potential, albeit with higher volatility. The S&P 500 has averaged around 10% annual returns, while Bitcoin has seen years of triple-digit growth. But remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Market trends are also crucial. As we look ahead, the macroeconomic environment will play a significant role. Interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events can sway investor sentiment. For instance, if inflation continues to rise, we might see a flight to safety, favoring stocks. Conversely, if central banks adopt more accommodative policies, it could fuel a crypto bull market. In conclusion, both crypto and stocks have their unique advantages and challenges. The key is to assess your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Diversification could be your best friend in this volatile landscape. And don't forget about that $250 giveaway. Stay tuned for details on how to enter. As we approach 2025, the choice between crypto and stocks will ultimately depend on your investment goals. Are you ready to embrace the volatility of crypto, or do you prefer the steadiness of stocks? The future is bright, but it's essential to tread carefully.